What's up, y'all? Welcome to day 4 of the 60-day devotional challenge. So today's theme is excellence. So what is excellence? Excellence is doing everything unto the Lord with integrity, diligence, and faithfulness. Many people look at the word excellence and feel as though you have to be extremely perfect. That's me. And what you do, but God does not expect perfection from us. He wants us to do everything unto Him having integrity. So let's get into these journal questions. What area of my business currently reflects excellence? I would say my school, especially my VIPs. I feel like I'm very intentional when it comes to catering to their specific needs, because I kind of just get to know them better than the other students because they have that access to me, so it's like kind of more intimate than my other students are. Areas of my business need improvement. I would say my social media service. That's why I have put in place my automations for my DMs and my comments, because it was kind of a drag for me to respond to every single DM, every single comment, but it's like that's something that I wanted to be done. I wanted everybody to be responded to, so I had to put those things in place. How can I better represent Christ through my work? Stay tuned, because I'm in the midst of working on that, so definitely stay tuned. I have stuff in the works. Am I pursuing excellence or perfection? I would say both, because I can sometimes unintentionally be a perfectionist, but I'm kind of learning to let go and let God, because He's the one handling the business right now. So I'm leaning more towards excellence, but it's kind of fitty-bitty. What fruit is my business currently producing? I would say it's producing peace right now, because I kind of backed off doing a lot of things and handed it off to my students. So it's kind of more peaceful that I'm focused and being more intentional on one thing rather than trying to divide my attention to everything that I have going on. If someone experienced my business today, what would they learn about my values? I say they will understand that I teach hair and technique, but God is the one who presses go on the whole thing. He's the one that's running the whole program, and I'm just putting the word out there. Do my actions reflect integrity when nobody is watching? Yes. What is one area where I can improve my customer service? I said my meet and greet. So my new students that enroll, I'm going to start doing, like I said before, my meet and greet Zooms. So everybody can just feel comfortable with me and knowing how the curriculum works in the school and everything before they actually convert to actual students. Just spreading the word more. I used to record more revelations, just revelations that I got from the word, and I guess I could start doing that more. Fruit inspection. What fruits do I want my business to be known for? I say all of them. I want everyone who gets to experience my business to feel like they just walked into a kingdom and they ready to be served. Prayer space. My little prayer was, Lord, remove any pride from me and clothe me with humility and make me to delight in serving the people that you have called to me. Today's commitment. This week I commit to improving this area of excellence, seeing how I can better serve my students, the people who's called to my business. Yeah, you already know. If you don't have the devotional, just DM me or comment under this video and I will send you the link to the free devotional. I will see you guys tomorrow.